Hi, I'm Nick Venturino with Healing Hands Chiropractic. One of the common questions I get is, what is that popping sound, and is that really good for you? Well, the popping sound actually is simply just gas being released from the joint. Every joint in the body has gas that forms around that joint that sort of gives it cushion. Well, when we move that joint with our treatments, it makes that popping sound, and that's the gas being released from that joint. Now, it is a good thing because that's actually how the joint gets its nutrition from the blood. That gas is released and the blood fills back up over time, fills gas back up into that joint, and that's how it gets its nutrition to stay healthy. Now, because you were referred from a friend or family member that's a patient of mine, I offer you the chance to come in and get a very steep discount in doing so. If you would like, go to my website at www.myhealinghandschiropractic.com, and once you're in there, click on the Can Chiropractic Help Me program. Inside that program, you'll see the discount that I'm talking about. You can reach me on my phone at 813-977-2383, and please give me a call and give me an opportunity to help you.